Hello once again, this is James Broughton. As we discussed in part 1, the issue of defining safety is not new. The definitions of safety are vague and somewhat not well defined. From experience, the problem is that safety can and does become a crutch, which can be used to cover up problems stemming from other hidden issues in the organization. And if not properly controlled, issues can develop within a safety culture, which can allow poor planning, not understanding employees' issues, ineffective training, poor maintenance, poor quality, technology problems, and the like. In our experience in evaluating operational issues, we have seen many of these resulted in the lack of a clear process working together. Therefore, in order to align a suitable definition of safety with an emphasis towards hazard and associated risk, William Montante, a risk control consultant, suggests that safety can be defined more in terms of hazard control. He states, replace the traditional mantras of safety first, think safety, and safety is your responsibility. He further states that you must strive for the personal and organizational mastery where each hazard control manager can state with confidence and certainty and intimately in how the company manages control. Mr. Montante has discussed these safety concepts with many supervisors and managers over a number of years to try and define safety. To make his point, Mr. Montante cites William Lawrence of Acceptable Risk, where Lawrence states that much of the widespread confusion about the nature of safety would be dispelled if the meaning of the terms safety were clarified. Lawrence's definition for safety is, a thing is safe if its risks are judged to be acceptable. Based on this definition, and according to Mr. Montante, safety is that state of being when risk and the hazards derived from it are judged acceptable or in control. Mr. Montante continues to state, safety is no more and no less than a condition or judgment of acceptable control over hazards and risk inherent to what one is doing at a point in time, or chooses to do at some future point. Therefore, this state of being can be personal or a reflection of the business culture. In conclusion, W.C. Fields once stated, if it ain't what they call you, it's what you answer to. Therefore, we believe that safety is a property that results from the effective meshing and intertwining of a multitude of interrelated processes and elements of an organization. In our view, a safety professional needs to work towards improving relationships between all aspects of an organization in order to have an in-depth understanding of the existing culture of the organization. And by understanding the aspects of a safety culture, you can then begin to achieve valuable knowledge of how people act or react, work together, what they believe, and how they communicate. I want to once again thank you for taking the time to listen to this video, and I wish you the best of luck.